The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2015 through 2024 Porsche Macan with the bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine base rack system. So this is made up of the JetStream load bars, 60 inches in length. Black shown here, but silver is also available. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and connecting those to the roof are the base slips, number 163 in the front and number 189 in the rear. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. Crossbar spacing is set at 30 inches center to center. Locks are available as a separate accessory if you want to add security, but they are not required for the rack to hold to the vehicle. So this opens you up to a wide range of different accessories, from bike mounts, kayak mounts, and cargo, and many, many more. But this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more pictures, pricing, and to order this complete kit with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.